Today we're going to talk about orchids, a very easy care indoor plant that is readily available at just about any grocery store, florist, nursery, or box store. And they're really easy to care for. A lot of people get scared of taking care of orchids because they think that they're so finicky, but actually they're not. They only have 4 requirements. They need light, they need moisture, they need a moderate temperature, and they need to be fed every now and then. Orchids, you don't want to overwater. You want to wait in between and let the bark dry out. As a matter of fact, the media that we use is just a coarse pine bark like this, or a moss, okay? And that is to let the water drain out. Now, with light, you want to be sure that you don't give it direct sunlight. You want to put it in an east or south facing window because orchids can burn. When watering orchids, you want to make sure that the soil has dried out in between. And just remember, when you're feeding them, use a water-soluble special orchid food. You want to put it in a spray bottle. You want to do this every couple of months, and you can use that to spray the leaves and onto the roots that are exposed, or you can use a watering can and water at the base of the plant directly into the soil. That way, when you have the spent stems, it'll shoot up more blooms. Now, these will last for about 2 to 3 weeks and just add so much color to your indoor spaces. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.